A tutorial on how to connect to the AutoWeigh device. You're going to turn power on at your auto clean control box on the trailer. Once power is on, you'll select your BTI app. When the app loads, it will automatically begin to scan for the device. When the device is shown, select the device, press connect. Once the device is connected, it will prompt you that the connection is successful. Of the BTI AutoWeigh home screen, you'll notice in the box at the top of the screen, it identifies the program that's currently loaded. It also will display the mode that your control box is in. So as you change modes, you can see that the indicator changes. Vacuum load front fill line, vacuum load AutoWeigh. In addition to that, you'll see the PSI and weight on the box. As the air pressure is increased, you will actually see the pressure and weight change on the screen, and it mimics what's happening on the trailer. Additionally, you have calibration functions, reset zero functions, set point functions, and you're able to load or change a program all from the home screen. The calibration function in the BTI AutoWeigh app. Select calibration. You're going to enter your PIN. At this point, you're going to confirm that your trailer is completely empty. And you're going to save your settings. When you hit save, it will import the pressure from the trailer and reset that pressure to your empty or zero weight. At this point in time, you will load the trailer through your normal method using the front and rear fill line selector switch on the control box. When you've reached a full load based on your PSI, you'll return to calibration. You'll confirm that the trailer is full. Additionally, you will enter from your certified scale ticket the payload that is in the trailer. And at that point in time, you will have saved your calibration. You'll notice on the home screen, we calibrated at 10 PSI and 0 pounds. And on the high side, we were at 60 PSI, and our scale ticket read 47,500 pounds of payload. Now our equipment is calibrated. Calibration set will now demonstrate how to do our set points. Our set points are where we switch from front to rear fill, as well as when we shut the fill lines off when we've reached our target weight. Set points can be entered in weight or pressure by adjusting the slider button at the bottom. For our switch point for when we switch from front to rear, we're going to target 30 PSI. I will auto update the pounds based on the calibration we have already completed. Then we'll set our full set point. In this case, we'll set by weight. And we know our customer for this load wants to receive 48,000 pounds of product. This too will recalculate the target PSI. We'll name our configuration. And we'll save it. Back on our home screen, you'll notice we maintained our calibration at 10, 0, 60 PSI, and 47.5. And now we've adjusted our set points to 18,800 pounds. We'll switch from front to rear, and at 48,000 pounds, we'll shut off. How to load or change a program. From the BTI AutoWeigh home screen, you'll select Load Program. From the drop-down list, select the program that you wish to load and press Load Program. I'm back on the home screen. You'll notice that our calibration numbers update to 12 PSI and 0, 64 at 48,000 pounds, and our switch points are set to what was saved in the BTI 1.0 program of 30 and 65 PSI. The reset zero function, this may come in handy if you're parked on an incline or decline, or if your equipment has become heavier or lighter for some reason. In this scenario, notice that our calibration is at 12 psi equals 0 pounds, but on the box, on our equipment, we actually read 14 psi, 2,000 pounds. So if we reset 0, it asks if we want to override this load to 0. If we are certain our trailer is empty, we'll go ahead and continue. And we have successfully reset 0, and you'll notice now 14 psi is our 0 point, and the equipment has adjusted, the computer has adjusted our calibration as well as our set points to take into account the change of from 12 as our 0 to 14 psi as our new 0 point.